First, after receiving the machine, you need to check the oil ports, whether the oil is sufficient. Check if the gasoline is sufficient. Close the gasoline ports. After receiving it, charge the charging port of the machine. Charge the remote control's charging port. Turn on the air switch. Turn on the emergency stop button. Open the remote control emergency stop button. Turn on the remote control switch. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn on the remote. Move forward. Backwards. Left. Right. Blade up. Blade down. Open the air intake and fuel tank switches. Start the engine. Turn off the engine when closing. Press to turn off the emergency stop button. Turn off the air switch. Press to close the remote control emergency stop button. Turn off the remote control switch.